In this video, let me show you how to use the buy now and pay later feature inside of Amazon checkout. So if you're trying to use this feature, you can use the inbuilt feature or the inbuilt service inside of Amazon. So what you'll need to do is whenever you're inside of a product page, you can just head over to the checkout section. And inside of the payment method, you'll be able to see the inbuilt service of Affirm. You can just tap on the option, and this is the exact service that lets you buy now and pay later. So you can make sure to select this option and then tap on continue. In the next step, it is going to show you the total amount that you are paying, but however, in order to buy now and pay later, you need to complete a application first of all. So simply tap on the continue with application. Now in this section, you'll need to enter in your phone number. Affirm will run a soft credit check and give you a real-time approval decision. So as soon as you add in your phone number, it will do a soft check of your credit score, and then it will give you a real-time approval of the decision. To done that, in the next step, you need to pick your plan, which is the exact section you can see on the top. So you just pick a plan on whatever plan that is being displayed and the plan that you are interested in, and then you can just tap on the confirm and complete option. So this is the entire process that you can follow in order to buy now and pay later inside of Amazon. If this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one.